not dirt bikers. I don't give a fuck about those guys. Sure, man. Passing on yellow, double yellow. Why not? They're motorcycles. And then the guy in the car thought it was a good idea to pass on a double yellow on a hill. Hello, people of Earth. This is DanLockhart, the Honda Valkyrie DanLockhart YouTube channel. And I was just itching to go out for a ride the other day. And it was pretty cloudy. It looked like we had some pretty good size thunderclouds or thunderheads out there. And so, yeah, I got sprinkled on a little bit. But, you know, if you ride, you're going to ride in the rain sooner or later, and I just needed to get out. So I rode my bike from the house here up to the top of the Taylor Canyon by the reservoir, and it was actually a very, very nice ride. I did see some idiots on the way back passing where they shouldn't be passing, but you know, some people just think it's not going to happen to them. And not only did the motorcycle guys pass, they inspired a car to pass on a double yellow, on a hill, on a curve. Just insane. I know one of these days, sooner or later, I'm gonna see it happen, and that's gonna be a shame. But I hope you like my ride. This is a beautiful day turned out for a ride, and if you do like my video, I would hope that you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Okay. It is supposed to rain today, but it's been cloudy all day so far and it hasn't done anything. So I decided to take a chance and go out for a ride. I may be riding in the rain on the way back. We'll have to see. There's so much gravel right here. Very dangerous for motorcyclists. I thought I'd get a little bit better mileage out of them, but I think unless you go to the dark side, your tires are going to be an issue after 4,000 or 5,000 maybe. I don't remember exactly the mileage that I had before when I had to get new ones. Well, my front tire was really gone. I'm lucky to have made it back into the shop to get it changed out. I don't know exactly how to gauge wear bars, but I kind of like the instruments that tell you what gear you're in. This jacket that I have on is a little bit heavier, but it is waterproof, and it doesn't have the lining in it, because you can wear it when it's really cold too. Last year when I did my border to border run, I wore this jacket, and I think I did have the lining on it, because it was the second week of June, and it can still get pretty cold that time of year, especially when you're riding through the mountains. So, one of our buddies, Britman from the forum, he's out in the world right now. He started out on the East Coast, and now he's up in Oregon, I believe. He does some serious mileage. I think he's up to episode number 10 on his relive. He said that he lost his phone, but he was able to get another one. And Craig Rupert, who I'm now calling Prince Rupert, made the comment that, oh, I just saw a big ass marmot. Craig made the comment that yeah, that's high anxiety when you can't find your phone, especially for Britman, because he's taking pictures along his route. So, but he was able to get another phone. Yep. I'm sure everybody knows that anxiety. The other day, I got down on the floor in the kitchen to play with my dogs. I took my glasses off because they're always snotting them. I took my glasses off and I set them on the side of the staircase. And I forgot that I put them there. I spent half an hour looking for my glasses. Oh, so are they on your head? No. This is such a fun little curvy road. I just spotted a drop on my visor. And it's interesting, today was the first day where you can't see any of the smoke from the fires that's coming down of the Pacific Northwest. I guess there's some pretty big fires up in British Columbia, Washington State, and Oregon. And all that smoke has been rolling through Colorado. And that's one of the reasons I didn't go anywhere this week, anywhere outside, because it was just too smoky. I could feel it in my eyes and my throat. So I just stayed inside. But today's pretty good, considering maybe the moisture will take some of that smoke out. Maybe we'll get some moisture up on the fires or get that all calmed down up there. I guess we'll have to wait and see. That doors. There's a lot of stuff that I want to do in the summertime. I would like to get out and go fishing too. Get my camper out. There's just a lot going on. The snow and the ice hangs up on roofs with screws. I'm hoping that the roof is going to work good and not hold that ice in. See, it's nice up here. Okay, this is a good route that I picked. Climbers up there. I don't see anybody. I'm sure they're up there though. And kind of open it up on the straight, back off on the curve just a little bit. Heck yeah, it's sunny up here. That's perfect. Karen said she doesn't like the look of the new Broncos. Yeah, to be honest, I'm not sure that I do either, but I do know that the one with the bigger engine, that thing that's a pretty good performance. There's a lot of guys that fish this thing right here. The big trout hang out just right below the dam here. I guess there's a lot of nutrients that flow out of the bottom, and so the fish the trout get to be enormous. It looks like it's raining here a little bit. The guy was in a hurry to go fishing. Oh, not dirt bikers. I don't give a fuck about those guys. Sure, man. Casper on yellow, double yellow. Why not? They're motorcycles. And then the guy in the car thought it was a good idea to pass on a double yellow on a hill.